Hi everyone, thank you for watching DreamSpree Studio Yoga. My name is Shannon and this is Chappy. Today we're going to do a chair yoga video for good mornings, or really any time in the day when you might need to stretch and get a little strengthening in, get some energy up. If you like yoga videos, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every week and it's a really easy way for you to support free yoga on YouTube. So let's go ahead and get started. Just find a nice comfortable chair that's sturdy. Good kitchen chair works out great. Go ahead and sit back, bring your hands down to your knees, and close your eyes. Begin to bring the attention to your breathing. Notice the qualities of your inhalations and exhalations. See if you can even them out. Long, deep breath. Long, deep breath out. And if you'd like, you can set an intention for your practice today, something you could bring your mind back to in case it begins to wander, maybe something to bring forward into the rest of your day. On your next inhale, go ahead and float your eyes open. Let's do some half sun salutations. Bring the arms out to the sides. Inhale up tall overhead, gathering energy for your day. Exhale down through heart center, forward fold. You can grab the sides of the chair if you'd like. Bring the chest down towards the knees and just let your head hang. Let's just breathe here for a moment. On an inhale, come all the way back up. Inhale up tall overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center in prayer. Let's do that again. Arms to the sides. Inhale up, gathering energy. Exhale down, forward fold. Pause here for a breath. And then on an inhale, rise all the way back up. Reach overhead with the arms, hands down to heart center in prayer. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale down, forward fold. Pause here for a breath. On an inhale, rise all the way back up. Hands to heart center in prayer. Now bring the hands up behind the head. On an inhale, open up the chest, slightly arching back. Exhale down, curl the elbows down towards the knees, just as far as you can comfortably go. Inhale back up tall. Exhale down. Just continue to flow like this. Go at the rhythm of your own breath. Just really tuning into your inhales and exhales. Let's take one more round. Inhale up, exhale down. Come back up to center and release the arms to the sides. Now let's take an easy little twist to the right side. Bring the left hand over to the left knee, right arm behind you on the chair. Inhale up tall and exhale, turn to try to gaze behind you. If that is uncomfortable to look over the right shoulder, just look right in front of you. But just breathe here. Gentle twist in the spine. On an inhale, come back through center. Bring the right hand to the left knee. Bring the left arm behind. Come up tall, inhale, and exhale. Gaze behind you over the left shoulder. If that's too much for your neck, just gaze right in front of you. Just breathe here. On an inhale, come back to center. Let's take one more half sun salutation. Inhale up tall, bring the hands through heart center in prayer. Exhale down, forward fold. Take a breath here. Rise all the way back up, hands overhead, hands to heart center in prayer. Go ahead and bring the arms down to the sides. We're going to turn to the right side. Bring the right butt cheek over to the front, kind of let the left one hang off. Come into a lunge position. Just gaze in front of you in a high lunge. If this is too much on the back knee to straighten it out all the way, just leave it bent. Wherever you are is exactly where you need to be. Try to keep the hips relatively square. Gaze in front of you. Drawing the shoulder blades down the back. Let's take one more breath here. And now bring the right arm in front and the left arm behind. Opening up, just opening up the chest as much as you can. You're still in lunge. And exhale, cartwheel the arms around so that now the left arm is in front and the right arm is behind. This is a little bit of a twist. You can gaze behind you or keep the head straight. Whatever you choose, just breathe here. Now let's cartwheel the arms back around out of that position. So the right hand is in front, left arm is behind. Keep those fingers spread out wide. Really trying to get a lot of energy into our hands and our body for the day. Now take the left arm behind you, place it on the chair. Reach straight up with the right arm. And inhale, bring everything back out to the side. Come back to the center, bring the hands in, bring the feet in. Inhale up tall, exhale down, forward fold. Inhale back up. Exhale, bring the hands to heart center in prayer. Now we're going to go to the left side, so just leave the left butt cheek on, right butt cheek hangs off a little bit. Come into your high lunge position, drawing the shoulder blades down the back. You can leave the right knee bent if keeping it straight is too much for you. Whatever you choose, just breathe here. Strong posture, meeting your day with strength and energy. On your next inhale, we're going to take the right arm back, left arm forward, leaving the hands out wide. Just keep breathing. And now let's cartwheel the right arm forward, left arm back. Slight twist. You may want to look behind you, look in front of you, wherever is most comfortable for you. Now let's cartwheel the arms back around again. Right arm back, left arm forward. Good job. Now reach down with the right hand, grab the side of the chair, reach straight up with the left hand, up towards the sky. Reaching to the new possibilities of the day. On an inhale, bring the arms back to the sides and just draw everything back into the center, arms down to the sides. Time for your half sun salutation. Inhale up, arms overhead. Exhale down, forward fold. Inhale back up. And exhale, hands to heart center in prayer. Let's go through that flow one more time. So shifting back over to the right, leaving the right butt cheek on the chair, letting the left one hang off a little bit, coming into your lunge, reaching up overhead, bringing the shoulder blades down the back, keeping the face soft. Just breathe here. On your next inhale, put the right hand forward, left hand behind you, hands out wide, like high five, like jazz fingers. Have fun with it, you know? One more breath here. And now let's cartwheel the arms around, bringing the right arm to the back, left arm forward. And cartwheel the right arm back forward, left arm behind. Reach down with the left arm. Reach straight up with the right hand up towards the sky. Stretch, stretch, stretch. And bring the right hand back forward, left arm behind. Bring everything back to center. Inhale up tall. Exhale down, forward fold. Inhale back up. Exhale, hands to heart center in prayer. Time to go to the left side. So just shift over towards the left side. On the left butt cheek, lift the right one hanging off. Arms up overhead and high lunge. Just breathe here. We're just here for a few breaths. Now reach the left arm forward, right arm back, hands out wide. Now let's cartwheel the right hand forward, left arm behind. You can look straight ahead or straight in front of you. Whatever you choose. Just keep breathing. On your next inhale, cartwheel the arms back so that the left arm is forward and the right arm is behind. Reach down with the right hand. Reach straight up with the left hand up towards the sky. Inhale everything back down and just come back through center. Bring the arms down to the side. Let's take one more half sun salutation. Inhale up tall, exhale down, forward fold. Take a breath here. And inhale, rise all the way back up, gathering energy. Bringing it down to your heart center in prayer. Good job. Bring the hands back down to the sides. We're going to cross the right knee over the left. Get a little bit of a deeper twist than before. Place the left hand over, right arm behind. Nice twist. Inhale back through center, uncross the legs. Now cross the left leg over, reach over with the right hand, left arm behind, inhale, and exhale, nice twist to the other side. Come out of your twist, you can uncross your knees. Let the left arm slide down the side of your chair, reach up with the right arm. Reaching up. Inhale, come back, bring the right hand down, left arm up, slide down the side of the chair, reach, reach, reach with the left arm. Inhale back up. Let's do that again one more time. Down with the left arm, up with the right. Slide the hand down, reach tall. Exhale down, right arm down, left arm up. Slide the right hand down the chair, reach. And exhale, bring it back to center. Let's gather a little energy one more time before we take our rest. Get nice and comfortable. Sit back if you want to. Inhale up tall once more. Exhale down, bring the hands to heart center in prayer. You can bring your eyes closed for a moment. Take a big inhale here. Open your mouth and just let it go. Sigh it all out, let it go. Ready to begin a new day. Tomorrow is yet to come. Today is here. Let's enjoy every minute of it. Bring the hands back down to your knees. You can keep your eyes closed if you'd like. We'll take Savasana here. Feel yourself relax all the way from the crown of your head in between your eye sockets. Any tension in your jaw, just let it go. Any tension you may have across the throat and the chest, let it go. Any tension in the shoulders, arms, stomach, waist, hands, hips, thighs, knees, any tension you may have left in the calves, ankles, and feet. Just feel it all melting down into the ground below you. Feel how you're supported here by gravity and the earth, and you are safe. If you have time, you can absolutely pause this video and stay in Savasana as long as you'd like. Otherwise, let's begin to deepen our breathing. Make some small movements with the fingers and toes, some rotations with the ankles and wrists. Maybe tilt the head from side to side. Let's reach out long overhead for one more big stretch. And bring the arms back down to the sides. Bring your hands to heart center. Notice how your body feels now as opposed to how it was at the beginning of your practice. Thank yourself for taking a little time today to do some yoga. With your hands to heart center, you can open your eyes. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you so much for spending a little time to do some yoga with me. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. If you have a suggestion for a yoga video or anything about your practice you'd like to share with me, please feel free to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you for spending time with me. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be safe. Take care of yourselves out there. I'll see you guys next time.